Feeling the car's not quite right. Also has a fuel problem, losing a second because of this problem. Also mounted with a BMW M3 is Gany. The old type M3 is still a competitive rally car. He's going to get penalised, but he's fastest on this stage. From the helicopter, they're very, very fast on these roads. Similar stages to the E30 24-hour rally. Only 10 kilometres away from the Belgian rally Mecca. In car with Sabir Gany. Let's see what it's like from a driver's point of view. Laurent Thorin in the passenger seat giving the instructions. And this tarmac stage providing a lot of excitement. Into service and a lot of work going on. But away now into the next stage goes Sabir Gany. He can't hear the pace notes because he's got a problem with the radio, which makes life very difficult indeed for a driver because he's driving absolutely blind here. It's going to lose him 12 seconds on the stage. And Delage knows that he's got that problem. And he's going to try and make up the difference now as quickly as he can. Time for a bit of refreshment between stages for spectators, drivers and crews alike, and the legendary French food put to good use. But Delage has been able to pull out 36 seconds on stages 5 and 6. After day one, it's Delage first, Gany second, Rats third, Olivier fourth. And back into the next stage, we've got Delage now on the second day for another 8 stages, trying to control the rally from the front. Right now with Sabir Gany on day 2 of the rally. "36 seconds doesn't seem like a long amount of time, but it's just too much to make up. But it's 40 seconds lost, and also the rally, as far as they're concerned, has trouble in